Hello, I'm Annette Gee. I'm from Task Force Paintball. I'm a Big Ideas Wales role model and entrepreneur supporting the challenge. Over the next couple of minutes, this video will give you further clarification on what is the challenge, what's involved, and who should have applied, and what is actually in it for you. As part of the challenge, we're looking for ambitious young people serious about starting a business, and to ensure we select the most eligible young people to receive the challenge's unique support package, each successful applicant will have to go through the challenge's key stages. The first stage is the application. Here you need to submit a short video and application form for the panel of entrepreneurs to score. Full details of what's to be included can be found online at bigideaswales.com. Shortlisted applicants are then going to be invited to a day's auditions where you're going to be asked to present your business idea and be interviewed by a panel of entrepreneurs, people like myself. When at the auditions, you can also gain valuable one-to-one support from entrepreneurs and find out more about other business support that's going to be available to you. Then we're going to proceed to the boot camp. And if you're here, you've made it to one of the top 50 ambitious young entrepreneurs to proceed from the auditions. I was personally at the last year's 3-day business boot camp, and I can truly say it was a completely unique experience. You're going to be inspired by world-class entrepreneurs and take part in a variety of tasks and activities. It's going to motivate you, inspire you, and help develop your business idea to the next level. Another totally unique element of the challenge is the boardroom stage, which is also part of the package of attending boot camp. All participants will be asked to attend quarterly regional meetings led by teams of Welsh entrepreneurs. The boardroom's an opportunity to share how things are going with the business, seek additional support if you need it, and guidance to address things that may not be going quite to plan. Does this sound good? Well, there's even more. Getting involved with the Big Ideas Wales Challenge could offer the opportunity to gain invaluable entrepreneur experience and work on your business alongside existing entrepreneurs at all stages to give you the opportunity to fast-track your idea to success. If you succeed to boot camp, you're going to create a 12-month business action plan, gain access to relevant business support, network with like-minded young entrepreneurs, get coached by an entrepreneur during the first year you are in business, gain access to the boardroom, and receive PR benefits to raise the profile of the business. Whilst support and encouragement will be available to you throughout your first 12 months, what we ask for in return is yours and your business's full commitment to the challenge. This commitment from you, as well as the package of support on offer, is going to maximise your potential to succeed in business and get your idea from boot camp to business and up and running in 6 months. I know as an entrepreneur that this sort of opportunity and support would have made such a difference to me when I started out. So if you are aged 16 to 24 and you have either started your business during 2014 or you're going to be ready to start in 2015 and you'd like to take your business to the next level, then don't hesitate to apply for the challenge today. Why not make 2015 the year your business goals really become a reality?